Hi, hello to everyone. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem from heights and distances. Okay, the question is the angle of depression of a car parked on the road from top of a 150-meter high tower is 30 degrees. So let us draw the figure first. Say, for example, there is a car. This is a sample drawing. Don't laugh by seeing this. Okay, this is a car. Okay, and here it is a tower. Okay, this is 150 meters height. So for this car, there a shadow is there, right? Car's shadow is there on the road. So from top of this tower, if they observe the shadow, right, here it is given angle of depression. Angle of depression, we can't say it directly. This angle of depression is where you will have angle of depression if you draw any line from the top. Okay, from this horizontal line to this line, it is the angle of depression. It is given 30 degrees. This is angle of depression, and this is angle of elevation. So here we know this is angle of depression. We have to know the angle within this right angle triangle, right? When you join the bottom of the tower to the shadow of the car, okay, you will have the base of the triangle, and this line which made angle of depression, that line will be the hypotenuse of the right angled triangle. Okay, what is the question they asked? The distance of the car from the tower means car from here to here, what is the distance they asked. So here we have the angle of depression, but we don't know the angle within the right angle triangle. So for that, if you observe this horizontal line and the bottom base of the triangle, okay, let us draw this neatly in a small figure. Here there is the car and all. Okay, so this is tower, and this is the distance between the car and the tower, right? This is the length of tower, and this will be the hypotenuse, and here we have the angle 30 degrees. Now we have to, this is as it is as the tower will be perpendicular to the base, means on the road, so the angle will be 90 degrees, right? So this is the, as it is a right angle triangle, this will be 90 degrees. So to find this angle, what we have to do, first observe this line. If you extend this and this horizontal line which is drawn for the angle of depression, these two lines are parallel, right? And you can take this line as a transversal, right? Yes or no? The horizontal line drawn for angle of depression and the base of the right angle triangle, both are parallel, and this line is the transversal. If you take what we can observe here, this angle and inside this angle will be corresponding angles. Let us give names for that. ABC, in triangle ABC, BC is the base, right? Which is the distance between the tower and the car. Okay, now to find the inner angle of the triangle, we are taking, say for example, this is a line L and this is line M. If you take, sorry, 1 minute. So here, this is the triangle. Okay, here let L and M are parallel lines and AC is a transversal. What we can say? LAC angle LAC is equals to angle ACB, since corresponding angles, alternate interior angles. Therefore both are equal. Then this will be 30 degrees. So one angle is 90 and one is 30. So what will be the third angle? Let us see that. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180, because sum of angles in a triangle is sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degree kabatti. Okay. So angle A we don't know. What is angle B? 90. Angle C 30 equals to 180 degree. Angle A plus 120 degree equals to 180 degree. Angle A equals to 180 degree minus 120 degree, which is equals to 60 degrees. Okay. Now we got the angle within the triangle, this right triangle. So what we have to find? The base, that is BC. Okay. Therefore, and this we are having 150 meters, right? So we have this and we have to find this. So what you can take from this angle or from this angle, what you can take? Adjacent by opposite. Adjacent by opposite you can take, or opposite by adjacent, that is tan also you can take. So tan 30 150 is the opposite, BC is the adjacent. So tan 30 equals to opposite by adjacent, 150 by BC. Tan 30 what my value? Tan 30 is sin 30 by cos 30, right? What is sin 30? 1 by 2, and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cancel 1 by root 3 we will get. So which implies 1 by root 3 equals to 150 by BC. BC is the base. Therefore BC is equals to 150 root 3, which is equals to distance between tower and car. Understood? Okay. If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section.